That means that that side needs to be connected to ground or negative. The tip of the gun here simulates a human finger.
I make this simple circuit and I'll plug it in. Now the circuit is hot and the voltage is on this voltage. Oh my God! Please join me for the first time to hear how it sounds. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, this is wild. You can see how far. Quite wide. Let me measure it for you.
The power supply.
The fuse box should be somewhere in there.
So here we go.
Only touch one of the AC lines.
The hell?
Why bad things happen to good people? Go. Go.
Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. In this video we will create banner like Dyno vlogs. But before the video starts, I have request you to subscribe my channel. Only 23 subscribers are left to hit 100 subscribers. So please subscribe to our channel. So without wasting more time, let's play today's video.
Even get to bronze. I said I'm moving too far. Get to bronze. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad, I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shooting, shooting. Yeah, shooting, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots. Shooting stars, shooting stars, shooting stars, shooting stars. Didn't even get to bronze. no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots. Shooting stars. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
this is how you can easily create banner like Dyno vlogs. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit like button if enjoyed. Subscribe my channel for new stuff. Now I am leaving, 𝙎𝙥𝙤𝙬𝙬 signing out.